Today, I will give you some idea about a cryptocurrency site that can blow your mind. Are you ready? Then let's get started. In the world of decentralized finance, everyone is racing to create the next new thing. Why is not anyone focusing on perfecting the first ones? This is why SokuSwap was created, to bridge the gap between users and decentralized technology. They are the first decentralized exchange to put users first. They have built an exchange designed to be the easiest place to trade and learn about crypto, with user experience being their main focus. They have designed the platform around their users. SokuSwap is the first place to make flash loans available to users without coding knowledge. With pre-written contract templates, they have made it so users can set up a flash loan in just a few minutes. And with the help of artificial intelligence, their system will help you realize if it will be a good trade before you make it. With the help of great minds on their team, SokuSwap created swap boxes. These are a set of tokens that their team has researched and put together each week, based on a multi-point review. You no longer have to scroll the social media sites to find what new tokens are hot. That team will do the work for you. If that was not enough, they have added a token scoring feature to the site. They are actively building a group of the greatest crypto experts in the industry that will review and rate new tokens each day. They will look at the things like utility, team, volume, market cap, and much more to give you the peace of mind you need before buying a new token. Let's talk about the feature of SokuSwap. First, SokuSwap offers users multiple ways to make money, from providing liquidity to trading or using soft loans, using terms loans. Imagine arbitrary millions of dollars with PancakeSwap or Uniswap using your coins on your easy-to-use flash credit system. Second, with Soku, your governance tokens, you can help define the future of the exchange. And if you do a lot of trade each week, you also get a fraction of the trading volume. The more the exchange grows, the more your payout will be. In addition, you can decide which service comes first. If you have enough of the Sokus, they may need to provide a parking space in your name. Third, at SokuSwap, you can transact on the Ethereum network and the Binance Smart Chain. Ethereum is the largest decentralized network in the blockchain world, so it is impossible to launch an exchange without using it. But there are other problems besides size. The Binance Smart Chain has recently emerged to address this issue. With faster trading and lower fees, Binance is definitely worth a look. SokuSwap believe both are important and they want their users to be able to transact wherever they want. Trading on SokuSwap may be fun and lucrative with high earning potential, but nothing comes close to the possibilities of making you part owner. Yes, with the SokuSwap governance token, you can help decide the future of the exchange. Who does not want to be a part of bigger decision-making process? I guess no one. What's even more interesting is that if you make a few trades each week, you will also get a small portion of trading volume. Your payments grow as the exchange does and gives you an interest on the performance. Have you ever tried explaining cryptocurrency to someone? I sure do. All of them. SokuSwap know it's a headache, but they try to educate the people they know because they care for them. Well, imagine if you could send them links to some free crypto classes, and more classes they do, the more you will earn both. And don't worry, SokuSwap will keep it short and funny. They want to make learning easy and useful for everyone. And this is their fourth feature, free live classes for all. What do people really hate about crypto exchanges? Is this a major drawback in customer service? SokuSwap know this is one of the main complaints from their team, so decided to fix it. They will be in touch 24 hours a day, so you will never have a question you cannot answer. No matter where you are, there is always someone to help you if you need it. This 24/7 support is their fifth feature. And last but not the least feature is freedom. Centralized exchanges require all customers to complete a self-identification form. You have to enter your name, date of birth, social security, blood type, DNA sample. Cryptocurrency was born as a decentralized currency that cannot be controlled and tracked. With decentralized exchange freedom, you only need to connect your wallet and make trades. What do you want more? It's a great chance with SokuSwap to earn money and also know about your trading. Close your eyes and begin to imagine trading your crypto tokens from one wallet on one decentralized exchange, but more amazingly on both the Ethereum network and the Binance Smart Chain. Well, now stop imagining because you can do just with SokuSwap. So guys, join SokuSwap and start your income now.